If you want to change the notification for text message application in your Samsung device, then what you do is tap and hold on the message application, select app info, go to notifications, and if you see there is an option here, general notifications, open it, select sound, and then you can select any sound. Go back, again go back. Now there is one more option here, which is new messages. Go to sounds and select any sound. So what we have done here is we have changed the notification sounds for general notifications as well as for new messages received. So this will change the notification sound for all the contact in general. But if you want to change the text message notification sound only for a particular contact, so that you will know who has sent you an SMS, then what you can do is go ahead and again open the messages application, and from here you can select any contact. For example, let me select this one. I will open it, tap on these three dotted icons here, and if you see there is notification type, select it. If it is default, what you do, select custom, tap on the gear icon here, go to sound, and then you can select any sound. Go back. So what we have done is we have set a specific text message notification sound for a particular contact only. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.